Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be using the curve y is equal to x cubed, and if I draw it would look something like this, right? And using a y is equal to x cubed, I'm going to also draw a rectangle, and one of the vertices is the origin and c comma 0. And the rectangle looks like this. The y value when x is equal to c would be c cubed, right? And so what we're trying to find in this video is the ratio of the area of this rectangle to the area of this shaded part. First, I'll find for the area of the rectangle, which would be length times height. The length is c to the power of 3, and the length is just c, and that's equal to c to the power of 4. So that would be our area of the rectangle. And now to find for the area of this green shaded part, we would have to take the integral. Hold on, I'll use a different color. You would have to take the integral from the interval c to 0. And inside the integral, we would have top minus bottom. We can think of this top part as the line y is equal to c cubed, and the bottom part is y is equal to x cubed. So we can subtract these two. C to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 3. And when we take the integral of c cubed, we can just actually think of it as like a constant. So just like what would happen to any constant when we integral it, we would have the constant multiplied by the x, and when we take the integral of x cubed, we would have 1 over 4 times x to the power of 4. But we still have to put in the c and the 0. If we do that, we'll have c to the power of 4 minus 1 over 4 times c to the power of 4. Now put in the 0 and you'll get 0 minus 0. We just technically don't have to even worry about it. And to simplify this more, we would have 3 over 4 times c to the power of 4. So this would be our area for the shaded part. So now what we're trying to find is for the ratio of the area of the rectangle to the area of the shaded region, or the shaded part. So our ratio would be c to the power of 4 over 3 over 4 times c to the power of 4. And if we simplify this more, then we'll have 4 over 3. So that is our answer for the ratio. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.